unbox the Hotel Chocolat Velvetiser in copper. So yeah, let's open it up. There's a tear thing along here. That's pretty well boxed.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. So very well backed, and it's very well branded box. It's sort of got a nice interior.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh, it's far too posh for me.
So they're just a standard literature, an invitation to join their chocolate club. Okay, so what else you get in the standard instruction manual? Looks like a selection box of all the chocolate. What have we got here? So it comes with tasters. You've got the 70% classic, salted caramel, 50% milky, the hazelnut, and a dark 100% Honduras. Very nice. And the velvetiser itself. Let's have a look inside here. So this was the velvetiser bundle from Amazon. It came with a sample chocolate set and cups. So again, here instruction manual. There we go. Standard 13 amp plug, base, yeah, got rip it open. And that's the velvetiser in copper. Wow, looking good.
That does look smart.
Does look the part, doesn't it? So that's the whisk. I think that magnetises to the bottom, doesn't it? When you...
Yeah, she twists it.
Yeah.
Oh, then we've got 2 cups.
Plastic or ceramic?
They're ceramic.
Wow, and 2 ceramic cups in there as well. And that is everything. So that is a brief unboxing of the Hotel Chocolat Velvetiser. And what we're going to do now is just going to give it a go and see how the hot chocolate comes out. Okay, so as per the instructions, we're just going to get started by doing its first clean, and we're going to go for the cold water rinse. So we just filled it up to the rinse line, the cold water, put the plug on, and it says there, just push the button in to start. So hang on a second, there's the button. Let's go down a second. Okay, yep, there's the button, so we push that button in to start. Okay, so it's now going through its first clean. We've obviously given it a clean in the sink to start off with, give it a rinse off, but obviously now we're going for what they say the first clean. So I think this is going to heat that cold water up and just sterilise and clean that inside. Okay, 2 or 3 minutes have passed. It's still whisking, going through its cleaning cycle. You can see the lid is now steamed up. So hopefully that means it's nearly ready. Take 2 to 3 minutes, hopefully, to heat up. So we'll give that a go. So I think the cleaning cycle's done. So what you do now is you just lift the lid off.
That's not hot either.
Okay. And then there is actually pouring spouts here at the front. It's sort of a little bit, you can see it, it's got a slight pouring spout on it. Pouring out. So that is now hot and cleaned in there. So we're going to tip that water out. Okay, it just sits on the base like this. So that's now had its first clean. This magnetises the bottom. It's quite warm inside, but it's all had its fresh clean out now. So we're going to now just fill it to the max line with cold milk from the fridge. Okay. And we're going to use one of the pre-measured chocolates. I think we're going to go with, which one are we going to go with?
Classic.
The classic 70%. So all you do, put your milk in, add your pre-measured chocolate sachet, pop your lid on, and then again push that side button to start. You can see it's not very loud.
Oh, it even smells posh.
I don't smell posh smelling chocolate. So we've done our cleaning steps. We're just going to go through now, and we're going to put the milk in to the maximum chocolate. We turned it on. Let's wait and see how it comes out. Okay, so it has just finished its cycle, and it took approximately 2.5 minutes to do. So let's take the lid off and have a look to see how it's come out.
Oh.
Wow, look how velvety that chocolate is. So there's a pouring spout, and we'll pour it into the... Wow, that's looking delicious. Okay, so it says in between uses, just give it a rinse out with cold water. And that is the finished hot chocolate. So just put the cold milk in and then pour across the 35 grams of chocolate. This one we're trying now is the milky, so it's 50%. So we'll give that one a go. Okay, so it's in. We'll pop the lid on. And then push the button to start. When we ordered the Velvetiser, what we did was we knew it would come with a sample box of chocolate. So what we actually did, we went to the local Hotel Chocolat store and we bought a whole drum of the classic and the milky. Now the kids, we've just tried them with the with 70% classic, and they said it's too bitter. Actually, Kate and I think it's really nice. So we're going to try them with this one, but that's the one that's cooking in there now. Which will take 2.5 minutes. These tubs were 250 grams.
Yeah, I think they were, yeah.
So you should get, we worked out about 7 servings per container. And all it is just grated chocolate in there. So, yeah, you should get about 7 servings per that. And they were just over £10 each. So,
They were £9 each.
sorry, £9 each they were, sorry. So we should get about 7 servings out of that, which is just under £9. I think we worked that out roughly being about £1.20, £1.30 per mug, which is comparable to Costa. And again,
Oh, it's ready.
the milky is finished. So
You want some milky?
you want some hot milk? Oh, you want some hot milky? So you can see the colour difference straight away. Okay, let's pour this one out. Yeah, you can definitely see, if I put that side by side with the classic, you can tell the difference. That's obviously, we've half drunk that, but that's the classic. And the milk, the milky. Also what Kate's doing now is she's just giving that a cold rinse, because it recommends doing a cold rinse in between batches, because it resets the thermometer and temperature gauge inside. So let's give this one a go. Okay, so we're just going to go now, and we're going to do our third batch, which we're going to fill up to the max line with milk, and we are going to be trying one of the taster sachets they've given us, which is the dark 100% Honduras. Now the tasting notes down the bottom here are quite amazing. So this is a rare and vintage Mayan red, tasting notes of red berry and leather. So let's stick this one in, Kate, and give this one a go. I'm not entirely sure that a leather flavoured red berry hot chocolate is what I'm looking for, but let's... Oh, it has got a bit of a red tinge to it, look. It's like a bit... How does it smell?
Not great.
Yeah, it smells like a pair of shoes.
No, it doesn't.
Let's fire this one up, and in 2.5 minutes we shall see. No, not very nice.
Doesn't smell great.
Okay, let's give this one a go. Okay, so we're done with the 100%. Wow, that does look very... It looks nice. It looks nice. Doesn't smell too bad. We're going to use one of our double wall insulated cappuccino mugs because we've run out of the mugs that it came with. But so that's got a nice sort of creamy froth on top of it, hasn't it? You can see that. Yeah.
Oh,
I think it's better doing it in this cup because you can actually see the difference in... Okay, let's give this one a taste test. Kate's now going to try this one. So
doesn't smell
it's
very
the 100% red bean. It's the red berry and leather notes. How do you think?
Oh, no. Oh.
I think this one here is definitely a no-no. So if they ever say to you, get the 100% pure red berry and leather flavoured chocolate, don't. So we tried the Velvetiser out, and I've got to say, I think, what was your favourite cake?
I don't know. No, probably the classic.
See, I go with the classic one more. I think I prefer that better. I can't look forward to trying the hazelnut, so there we go. We'll try them out, and as we put more on there, we've ordered a kilo of just a generic catering chocolate, so we're going to give that a go. That should be here by Wednesday. The coronavirus making everything delayed, but what we'll do is we'll do a review video of that cheaper chocolate, which I think the kids will like more, won't we?
I think so. If not, we'll get some Cadbury's for the kids.
Yep, cool. So, that being said, tomorrow is another day.